Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make coleslaw for burgers. This easy method ensures a delicious, creamy side that perfectly complements any patty. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients you likely already have on hand. You'll need fresh cabbage, carrots, mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, and a touch of sugar. Plus, a little salt and pepper to bring out all the flavors. Let's get started. Now let's prepare our vegetables. For a standard batch, you'll want to finely shred about 4 cups of fresh green cabbage. A sharp knife or a mandolin works great here. Then, grate 1 medium-sized carrot. This adds a lovely pop of color and a subtle sweetness. If you're short on time, a food processor can make quick work of both the cabbage and the carrot, saving you precious minutes. The heart of any great coleslaw is its dressing, and ours is wonderfully simple. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tangy apple cider vinegar, which provides a nice counterpoint to the richness. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for perfect seasoning. With your vegetables prepped and your dressing ready, it's time to bring it all together. Pour the creamy dressing over the shredded cabbage and carrots. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss everything until the vegetables are thoroughly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making it perfect for your burgers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.